All right, here we are. It's happening right here in G-Borough, Goldsboro, North Carolina. Keenan Air Titanium, Andre Waters. We at Pastor Camille's Worrell, right here on Azalea Avenue. Look at this young lady right here. You see that right there? You better get in and know. She is representing. Now, this is the day of the installation here. About to say this is the day the Lord had made. Of course it is. And we will rejoice and be glad in it. And man, we got partners from different parts of the country who came, but we got Pastor Camelia right here. Pastor Camelia.
How you doing? This is Pastor Camelia Worrell in Goldsboro, North Carolina. Woohoo!
All right, we're going to be coming back to do an interview with her while she went soul and all these other great things in a few minutes. But for now, we want to get some of the business on it. Here's our grandbaby right here, Miss Regine, right?
Hi.
Hey, these are some of your future millionaires and multi-millionaires. Here go one of the other babies right here. Miss Nakia Johnson y'all better look at these wealthy individuals right now. And look, cats, all right now. You got to go through, to see them. Yeah. All right. So here we got, hold that for me. Here we got my main man right here.
How you doing?
Look, certified himself.
Certified official.
That's right, Mr. Everett right here. So guys, history is being happening right here in Goldsboro, North Kakalaki, and you got to get in the know.
That's right.
You from the borough, right?
That's right.
All right, let's talk to another native borough right here. We got Miss Jewel Ellerby, G-Borough, by way of Charlotte right now. Now, so Miss Jewel, she's been making moves here too in reference to solar. And guys, this is our Wpgw Solar I&I family, right? Just a small portion of her. Shout out to Senior Vice President Miss Karen's not here right now, Mr. Sammy D, Miss Claudette, Miss Monique. We got a whole host of them in the Millionaires Club. Look what they doing, man. We got these amazing group of individuals putting the solar panels on the house right now. This team is working together, tireless. What's your name, brother?
Gabriel.
What is it?
Gabriel.
Mr. Gabriel right here. Look at this guy right here. They doing great work, handling business, very respectful. All right. Now, this is Keenan Air Titanium, guys. Listen, some people say, look, is the solar real? Is this, and that? Most of you, seeing is believing, sadly. But so we're going to let you see. Look at the panels right here. Look how light they are. Look how pretty they are. Everybody with me. So, we're going to be doing your solar installation, solar party next. So get ready and stay ready. Keenan Air Titanium, Andre Waters. As I say, I travel around the country international. Love each and every one of you guys, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. And shout out to the CEOs of the Millionaire Club, Mr. Marshall Forson, Miss Ashley Cooper out there in Chi-Town, Chicago, and also my Atlanta crew out there too. God bless you. We out.